offsetting an edge is a good way for us to be able to move an entire wall with a scribe marks or scribe lines that we can then move all of those points together so that we don't end up having broken points along the way. Offset edge. Up at the top, I'm going to set my offset, 1/8 of an inch. I am not going to keep the original line, and I am going to turn off my revised style. What this is going to do is actually more treat this line as a move command. I'm going to click on the wall, and it's going to offset it in, but keep all my internal points together. Same on the back. And as you see, it's not changing the color because I have revised style turned off. I'm going to bring this one in 1/8 and this one in 1/8. What it does not do is it does not close in our corners. So you can see that we do have a little bit of a break up here. Now what we can do is just fillet those all back together. And once we get them all filleted back together on the corners, we'll be back to having no issues. This is going to be a good way for us to keep the scribe. Now I do have backsplash here, but depending on sometimes some customers don't know if they exactly want to use backsplash, but we might produce it, different things along those lines. But for what this is worth, we kept our wall scribe. So we just created an 1/8 inch gap so that we can get them in easier, but then the backsplash would still cover them in this case. That is a complete option on how far you offset those, but offset edge is going to be the easiest way for us to move a wall all at one time.